We're transporting somebody back to
Listen,
their house.
you could get a supervisor here for me.
We're transporting somebody back to their house.
Right, I need a supervisor, bro. You can't go around do what you want to do because you're transporting somebody.
I'm not going around do what I want to do.
You just ran through a red light, man.
I didn't run through a red light.
Swear on your mom you didn't run through that red light. Swear on your mama. Did y'all run through that red light?
What's up, everyone? We have a really good video. I think you guys are gonna like this. One of the things that we keep seeing is police officers out there speeding, running red lights, going fast without their lights on, without an emergency. That's become a huge problem. All of this do as I say, not as I do mentality, it's not gonna work, folks. Try that with your kids and see what happens. It's just not gonna work. The people are out there and they're seeing police officers committing these infractions that they get tickets for. This video right here is a perfect example of somebody who doesn't appreciate getting tickets for speeding and then turning over to the side and seeing an officer speed right past you. It's a little bit hypocritical for police officers to cite you when they do the exact same thing. Check out this video, go subscribe to this new channel, let them know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there.
How you doing, sir?
What's going on?
Yeah, can I ask you why was I doing the speed limit, right? And you flying up on my ass, right?
I did.
Yeah, you did, bro. I got it on camera. I have a car camera on my car. You flew up on me. I couldn't even get over. You're doing way faster than the speed limit. You were, bro. And another thing, did you go through that red light right there? Right here, this red light. Did you go through that? Do you have a supervisor? I need a supervisor here. Thank you, sir. I need a supervisor here, sir. I need a supervisor here, sir.
For what?
I need you to get a supervisor here because I requested one, and that's the law. I requested a supervisor. Can you get one, please?
Okay, but
bro, you went through a red light. I need a supervisor.
Why are you hawking at me?
I need a supervisor. I got a ticket right here, right?
Okay.
You want to see the receipt for the same shit you just did?
We're transporting somebody back to their house.
Listen, you could get a supervisor here for me.
What the officer said makes absolutely no sense. He's speeding down the road because he's taking somebody home. I think cops have a lot of free time on their hands when they're on duty. And I think they're wasting a lot of tax dollars. And I think we need to tidy up what police officers are doing while on the clock.
We're transporting somebody back to their house.
Right, I need a supervisor, bro. You can't go around do what you want to do because you're transporting somebody.
I'm not going around do what I want to do.
You just ran through a red light, man, and you came up on my ass speeding.
I didn't run through a red light.
Swear on your mom you didn't run through that red light. Swear on your mama. Did y'all run through that red light? Let's go. I need y'all to get a supervisor here, bro. Before you leave, I need a supervisor. What's your name, bro? Yo, what's your name, bro?
We have to transport a prisoner.
Yo, what's your name, bro? Yo, wait. Yo. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Stay in your car.
I need your name. I need your name. Driver. Bro, I need your supervisor, yo.
I absolutely love seeing police officers get put in check when they're doing something wrong. I wish more folks would record the police or just use their dash cam footage. You guys get yourself some dash cams. If you get any footage of police officers making mistakes, send it to me. We'll put them on blast. We'll get their vehicle number and we'll send it to their Facebook page and we'll blast it all over the San Joaquin Valley Transparency channel. All you police officers that are out there that have been taking advantage of your job, that think you can get away with whatever, understand that the people are watching. You too will be on San Joaquin Valley Transparency if you keep up the bad behavior. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go subscribe to this channel. Let them know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have a blessed day. Peace.